Hello, Kim Townsell here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm pretty sure I fixed the leak in my beloved Mustang. She had a leak down in here, and I tried several different things to see if I could fix it, and I think I finally found something that worked. I came out of the gym today and it was raining, so I'm sitting here because now I can identify exactly where my car is leaking on the driver's side. And hopefully I'll be able to address that. It runs down here, and you can see where it was wet. I've dried it a little bit. And there's actually a hole where that dark spot is over there. Being resourceful, I looked for something in my car to see if it would possibly stop this leak. I found a hair clip. I just drove home in pouring rain and there was no leakage. If this is all it took to fix that, I'm very mad at myself for letting my car leak all of these years. This is where the frame around the front window meets the convertible top up above. I'm trying to see if I can see exactly where this water is coming in. There's a channel that runs down on this gasket that ended up pouring into my car, but it's coming in from the top from somewhere, and I can't find that. I've had this clip in my Mustang holding the gasket in place, thinking that might be why I'm having this really bad leak, because it leaks and water's coming all the way down here, and this would be full of water, which is why I have my things in plastic bags. It ended up causing a leak down here. There's actually a hole down there. It hasn't rained a lot, and I haven't taken my car through the car wash because I still don't have the damage from the deer fixed. But it looks like today we're getting some rain from Harvey, so we might be able to test this to see if it really is going to work. I do believe it was leak-free all day. This is why I had the really bad leak on the door, because this was pulled out. So I've had this little pan in there to hold all this in, which it pushed up in there and solved the problem. So I'm going to see if I can silicone this all back together, see if it'll work. Now that I thought I had identified at least one place I could fix, I went and got some silicone and went to it. It's not pretty, and Irma's coming, but so far it seems to be working. I can pretty it up a little bit later on. We'll see if it holds up. A couple of months later, it did leak a little bit. This is where it normally just filters down on the speaker and down onto the floorboard on the driver's side. So I think I put a little more silicone on it. Still at the car wash. This is with the door open. Obviously the gasket is still leaking down the side of the car, and I don't know how to fix that yet, but my ugly dose of silicone has kept the water from leaking inside my car, which is progress in my point of view. So hair clip and silicone for right now is helping me keep the inside of my Mustang dry, at least on the front driver's side. The back rear window is another story. Thanks for watching my video about how I'm pretty sure I fixed my leak in my Mustang. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment, and until next time, take care. Bye. Please feel free to watch another video. Thanks a bunch.